head and world. It's your boy Young Star. Hopefully y'all feel me on this hoe. Nah, I ain't tripping. Keeping all the way 100. There I go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm hungry for this money, man, I'm so impatient. Court date coming cause I fucked probation. And my lawyer in my face talking about nigga pay me. Money kinda low cause I got 2 babies. Stressing crazy, so liquor keep me faded. Thinking to myself, man, why God hate me was the choice that I made of how to get paid. Man, I'm trying to change, but it's been hard lately. Used to dream about Mercedes, now I hope that I make it to the next day cause the devil trying to take it. Talking about the judge cause the man so racist. He said you want freedom, then boy start naming niggas. Plus more niggas told him sorry, but my blood don't do no hating. Real ass nigga don't do no faking. Cuff me up, I guess down here take me. Throw away the key like you caught me with a key. Mouth on hush till the day I'm deceased. On the time we're gonna open when it's time to eat her. Kunta can't take, give us free. Lose a limb on my body, but they won't catch me. DA want me, DEAD. DEA, FBI, CIA. Man, fuck police, cause they want us in the street sleeping on concrete, using hardcore board for our bedroom sheets. But I will succeed, gotta make it for my seeds. That's the only way my mind ever finna find peace. Only way my heart will ever be at ease. That's the only way I'm ever finna get good sleep. So till the day come, y'all niggas won't see T. 2 fingers up, deuces, peace. Young Star, TP. Yeah,